Hello, I'm Doug Pence, Service Manager, Highway Motors in Harrisonburg, Virginia. About 10 months ago, our dealer principal, Tom Moore, gave me the opportunity to visit with the great folks at Navistar and GE and learn the principles of lean. Since then, our dealership has been very busy, training employees to think lean and making improvements based on their training. The results have been tremendous, but don't take my word for it. Let's ask the people who have been empowered to make positive change, our employees.
Daniel Kagi,
Yes, sir.
how has lean improvements made your job better?
It's a lot easier when you're working on a certain job that the tools are right there for you. You ain't got to walk up to the tool room. The shop cleanliness makes everything a lot easier to work with as well.
John Miller,
Yeah.
what do you like most about lean and what's it done for your job?
Oh, I love the shop cleanliness. You can use lean anywhere. At home, you can even lean out your toolbox.
Bill Champion, how does lean empower employees?
Well, I'd say it gives guys the ability that if you see something in the shop that needs to be changed, whether it makes your job easier or makes your job more efficient, it gives you a forum where you can have an open discussion with 3, 4, 5 people and get all their input on it and just make your job easier and better place to work.
David Singleton, how has lean improved your working environment?
It's cleaned up our work environment and brought our tooling out closer to make our workday more lean.
Darren Marion,
Yes.
what has lean done for you?
Gave us a cleaner, more efficient work environment and a lot less steps to take in the repair process.
Mark Dillashaw, how has lean improved your shop tools?
Lean improves shop tools by moving them out to the shop where they're closer to us so we don't have to walk as far. It also gave us more room to store tools.
Tom Ott, how much more efficient are you because of lean?
Lean has made my job easier. The shop's more cleaner. Seen improvement in employees' attitudes. Tools are organized. It's helped us out tremendously here.
Jake Oakley, how has lean improved this dealership?
In several different ways, but some of the, top two would be relationship between all departments is greatly improved. Just things flow a whole lot smoother, they work better between departments. Another great thing that happened is once lean was in play, people seeing the improvements that came about from it, they look forward to the next one because the next things are just going to get better and better.
Joe Farney,
Yes.
what's your impression of lean?
Well, actually, I haven't technically gone through the lean program or any kind of training, but as a service writer, I can just kind of see the excitement after it's over and just the difference in attitudes and the way people work together. And again, overall, it's just kind of like an excitement that it kind of creates an excitement of everything that reflects the dealership, the way it works, and the outcome of how things work out in the end.
Lyndon Joyner,
Yes.
what benefits have you seen from lean?
Well, we've seen a lot of benefits from it. One thing I think is the increased technician proficiency that we've seen. It's been a measurable difference. We've also seen a big difference in attitudes. Everyone's more willing to work together, communicate better, and it's just an overall better atmosphere.
Machen Folk, what advantages have you seen from empowering employees to be an active part of lean?
Best advantages I've seen is taking the problem directly to the source. The person who knows how to fix it is the person who has the problem, and allowing us to make the decisions on how to correct the problem is getting the information right from the horse's mouth. And it's also a good thing for an employee to be able to talk to other employees and interact with other departments and get the different opinions and take care of the problem themselves, which kind of causes a snowball effect in seeing how you do your job from day to day, making decisions. And, I guess the best part overall was letting the employees come up with the problems and solve the problems themselves. That way, they're the only ones at fault if it doesn't get fixed.
Robbie Croy, as body shop manager, what benefits have you seen from lean?
I guess our biggest benefit is productivity. The guys are able to get the trucks in, got plenty of room to work on them. They know where all their equipment and tools are, and it seems to help them. Also, the employee attitude. They all
have a clean shop. They know where everything goes. They're not looking for stuff, not getting frustrated. Really seems to make a big difference in that.
Grant Bodkin, as general manager, what has Lean done for your dealership?
I feel like it's changed the whole dealership. It first started out, we went through the cleaning process and reorganization of all the tools and moving some things around, and that part of it seemed like it was going to be really helpful, but I think the fact that the employees had designed all this, they took the Lean, you know, and owned it. You can go out in the shop as of right today, and everything is still in the exact same place. Everything's organized, the shop's spotless. The guys' attitudes are just top notch. I feel like the Lean process gave them ownership and a sense of professionalism that they didn't have before. It's also affected other departments that, you know, one in particular we haven't even gone into yet. They're excited about starting and already have ideas to go forward with. It's just been a good experience all the way around.
Irvin Armentrout, as general manager of Rockingham Petroleum Corporation, how do you feel about Highway Motors, and how important is our relationship to your business?
Well, from a service standpoint, I feel pretty good about Highway Motors. We've dealt exclusively international now for probably 6 or 8 years. Prior to that, we had kind of a mixed fleet. But a big part of that has to do with the service department. Highway Motors has been straightforward in their actions. When you take a truck in to have it repaired, one of the shop people will contact you, letting you know in a reasonable amount of time what they've found, what you can anticipate as far as repairs, both in expense and downtime. And I think that's important as a customer. If I know what I'm dealing with fairly quick and up front, then I can plan the rest of my business to go with that. We've, you know, as with any mechanical piece, even international trucks break, and we know that. And we've certainly had our challenges from time to time with mechanical issues. But I'll have to say that because of the service department, you know, I still feel confident in dealing with International as a manufacturer. Highways Service Department has taken care of our problems in a timely, fair fashion. And I think I can depend on their personnel to do that, to do it in a fair, equitable way when we do have problems. And as a customer, that's what I look for.